Welcome to your comprehensive guide on horseshoe welding, a fantastic and essential skills for beginners and enthusiasts alike. In this detailed tutorials, we will delve into the art of ongoing horseshoe carving, everything from the fundamental tools required to the intricate techniques needed for precious welding. We will explore the various types of horseshoe, their purposes, and the process of shaping and welding them to perfection. Throughout the tutorials, we will emphasize safety measures and highlight tips to ensure a successful and durable weld. You will gain a deep understanding for the craftsmanship involved in forging and welding horseshoe, empowering you to create steady and reliable footwear for your unique composition. Develop of the intersize horseshoe welding guides you through the each step with clarity and detail. Each step with clarity, from selecting the right horseshoe of materials and preparing your workspace and ensuring safety. This project will power it all with the explore various welding methods, emphasize optimize opposition with correct use of tools to create durable and reliable horseshoe welds. You will gain a thorough understanding of the menus involved in this specialized welding craft, empowering you to execute flawless horseshoe weld for confidence with finances. Horseshoe welding is an exciting opportunity to horseshoe the artistry and precision required in this craft. Horseshoe welding blend traditional blacksmithing techniques with modern welding expertise. We will develop into the intricate step involved in crafting and welding horseshoe, exploring the tools needed, the type of metals utilized, and the essential safety measures to be observed. We will detail the heating and shaping process, the importance of precise measurements for horseshoe, and the significance of applying the correct welding methods to ensure durability and functionality, alongside the practical demonstration tip of troubleshooting advice and knowledge. With ensure durable functionality, tips, tips and advice, this comprehensive guide aims to equip both beginners and experienced welders with knowledge and skills necessary to create steady custom fit horseshoe through the art of welding. Being with engaging introduction that capture audience attention, highlighting the importance of proper horseshoe welding for horse care and performance. Then segment to connect into clear step for storage for welding process, starting with preparing materials and equipment needed. Detail each step meticulous, explaining the techniques, safety measures, and notes of welding horseshoe. Effectively use descriptive language and value to comprehensive horseshoe. Effectively use descriptive language and visual comprehensive incorporate subtraction of address common to troubleshooting tips and achieve precious. conclude with summary. Reinforcing key separate involve using ancient yet informative language, maintaining the contact base throughout the welding process seamlessly. Additionally, utilizing visual of demonstration in conjunction with the voiceover can significantly enhance the instruction value of the video. Discuss the necessary tools and materials, emphasizing safety precautions throughout the welding process. Describe step by step procedure, emphasizing safety precautions throughout the welding. Focusing on the preparation of the horseshoe welding techniques and significance to achieving proper heat travels, effective bonding, address common mistake and troubleshooting tips. Ensuring a comprehensive guide constant in achieving durable and reliable horseshoe weld. Conclude with recommendation for ongoing maintains the further resources for viewers keen on viewers and confidently understand horseshoe weld while appreciating its importance and questions care. Guide on horseshoe welding. Integrate art of crafting and welding horseshoe. We will explore the necessary tools and safety equipment required for jobs, highlighting the significance of proper protective gear and will valented will be our essential focus, allowed by the step demonstration of welding process for preparing the horseshoe for welding to selecting the appropriate welding techniques and ensure precise measurements. We will cover each stage in details. Additionally, we will discuss the significance of maintaining constant heat during welding process and the various welding methods suitable for different types of horseshoe. Through these tutorials, we will emphasize best practice and tips to achieve durable and essential pleasing value, ultimately ensuring the safety and comfort of the horseshoe. You will gain valuable insightful into horseshoe welding, empowering you to undertake your own project with confidence and skill. By symbolize the amalgamation of tradition and skills artistry in this comprehensive guide, we will explore into integrate from preparing the material and understanding the welding techniques to and tackles along the way. Join us, we transform raw materials, horseshoe blank, and perfectly customized and durable hoof protector, blending the ancient craft blacksmithing with modern welding expertise to grab welding gear and get shade into the captivating world of horseshoe welding. Explore the necessity of safety equipment required for jobs, highlighting the significance of power protective gear, ventilated workspace, understanding the further step-by-step demonstration of welding process from preparing the horseshoe for welding for selecting appropriate welding techniques and ensuring precise of the maintaining. It can cover each stage to detail. Additionally, it discusses the significance of maintaining constant heat welding and the various welding methods suitable for a different type of horseshoe. Of the tutorials, we will emphasize best practice and tips to achieve durable, aesthetically pleasing drills, ultimately ensuring safety comfort of the horseshoe. By the end of this, thank you so much for watching this video.